Hello friends, I am Kaushik Mukherjee and welcome to my YouTube channel Made by KM. In this video, I will show you how I made this small aquascape. So let's see. I am using normal garden soil in this setup. It does not contain any fertilizers or anything else. Plants grow well in this natural soil, and using of this soil also reduces the overall cost of the setup. I am using river sand here, which is used in construction work. It is also very easily available and very cheap. Now I am spraying water so that the sand settles. These are some driftwood pieces that I have already cut into sizes. Here I am using Micranthema Monte Carlo on the ground. This is a carpeting plant and very easy to grow. This plant can also grow without injected CO2. I am spraying water occasionally to keep the plants from drying out. Now I am using Java moss on top of the driftwood pieces. Java moss is one of the easiest to grow and hardy aquarium plants around. This plant also does not require CO2 and will grow just fine without it. My work is almost done and now I have to fill water. I am using a piece of cloth on top while filling it with water so that my setup does not get damaged. My job is done. Now I have to wait until the plants are fully grown. After 2 months, the plants have grown very well. The Monte Carlo has covered the base completely. The Java moss has also grown very well. And now this aquascape has reached its fullness. So that's all in the video. If you enjoyed it, please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.